In this video, I am going to share with you how you can use the power of ChatGPT and CrawlQ's Athena together to create any kind of template that you can think of in your business case, from business planning to market trend to LinkedIn post. And here are a couple of examples how I did it. So, for example, let's go here. You will see here, create a template with questions to research and analyze market trend. And because I provided some context before that I'm a SaaS growth consultant and I want to analyze my market and key trends that is evolving in my industry. And ChatGPT will spit out a really nice template based on question answer. So what are the key drivers of growth in the industry? What are the key challenges and opportunities facing businesses in the industry? So on and so forth. Okay. So to make the things easy, what I did in this case, I'm creating a Google Sheet with template name. I'll give it a template name. For example, here, analyze market trends as consultant. Okay. And then template description. Template description is the same. I copied also from Chat GPT, because in the Chat GPT sometimes you get an overall summary of what you ask. And by in this case, by answering this question, you can gain a deeper understanding of the market trends and industry developments that are shaping growth opportunities for your clients, right? And this can help you identify areas of differentiation and to develop strategies for driving growth in a competitive environment. So I copied this description here as well. And I copied all the questions that are generated as a part of the template. And you can see I'm developing several templates. LinkedIn post framework for market trend. So following this market trend, create a LinkedIn post framework. Then it will give me a set of questions that I can create as a template. Emotional copy angle for LinkedIn post. By following this template, you can create LinkedIn posts that are emotionally compelling and that are likely to generate more tractions. So I copied all these questions. Amazon like product description template, competitor analysis, business plan template. So here I'm using the power of ChatGPT to create a compelling set of questions, and then I'm putting them into CrawlQ's template. And how to do this is simple. First, create your own Google Sheet in this format: template name, template description, and then you start making this template one by one, because once you make this template, they are going to stay there. And as we improve the backend, as we improve the sources of the data, they will keep improving, right? And you can always edit them. So I did it pre-did, or I have done here for you for in this example. So template name, analyze market trends as a consultant, and I copied the description. Description is also used by CrawlQ's Athena to get good context and understanding of what you want to achieve with this template. So this is important. So we are giving a template name, we are giving a description as usual, and then we start by copy pasting these questions. So what are the key drivers of the growth in the industry? What are the key challenges and opportunities facing businesses in the industry? And I'm just making these copy paste. So what are the competitive landscape? This I did. Let me do this. So what I will do here, I will copy this. I will go to the template builder as I was doing here. How is the competitive landscape evolving in the industry? So this was my last question. In order to add a new, what we can do, just copy this. You can see that I want to show this prompt in the output. So that's why I selected show prompt. I also think that this template will be best generated if I make selection here as data source, market research, and the Google. Now, if I also do market insights, or if I want to select Reddit and Quora. That is also okay, but that's my initial assumption. Maybe Reddit and Quora also has very good information about the topic that I'm doing. So you can always come back and edit these resources, input data sources, and you can always do several A/B test, right? So for now, I will I will just select the one that was I was doing, market research and Google. Market research and Google means the market research that we have done as a part of our normal process. And actually, market research is also heavily influenced already by the inputs from Reddit, Quora, and other sources. So in a way, we have some sort of correlations when we do the market research by turning on those sources in, right? It's building knowledge upon knowledge. There are several layers of the knowledge in Athena, and then that's how we are building deep domain research based outcome on this template. So as I said, if we have a good topic of interest, good data is available on the Google, Reddit, Quora, we are using good set of questions using the power of ChatGPT, and when we embed this template is going to give us a robust set of output with the deep domain knowledge and understanding of the topic in detail, right? So let me finish this. The last question was, how are the businesses in the industry using data analytics inform their growth strategies? Okay, so let's go here. Um, in order to make add another thing, is easiest way is just to copy. Select this with if you are working with Mac, then Command A or Control A, and Command V or Control V to paste from the Google Sheet and here. So here I have pre-done all the work here, right? And I'm just going to press the button, create template, and we are going to use this template as an output. So in order to access this template, you need to go to private tab, because these templates are private to you unless you share this template, right? So our template that we have just created, you can see there are so many templates here. Our template was this: analyze market trends as consultant. Okay, next, here I have already a setup of a workspace where we are comparing CrawlQ over an enterprise grade software Sprinkler, which is also an end-to-end marketing platform. And in this setup, we are already having a topic of interest as CrawlQ alternative, for example, CrawlQ as an alternative to Sprinkler, for example, right? But now we can use this background setup, research setup to create an interesting research based on this template. Analyze market trends as a consultant, right? So let's see what, um, based on the background research, based on the chat GPT's uh, power to create interesting questions, and what Athena has learned so far, what are the outcomes. So here I will go again, crawl Q as an alternative to sprinkler main content idea again here is analyze market trends and competitor strengths. Let's put it just like that, like analyze market trends. And what how it helps? It helps growth consultants to identify key areas of strength for the business, right? So let's see what kind of outcome we get from this template. So it's a purely a combination of ChatGPT to create the template questions which are generic enough, can be applied to any business. But in a specific context that I am a growth consultant, okay, we embed all those questions into the CrawlQ's template. We are sort of drawing the power of Athena here, okay. So let me walk you through with this template, okay. What are the key drivers of growth in the industry? The key drivers of growth in the industry are the increasing use of AI-powered marketing platforms and the increasing demand for content. Make sense? What are the key challenges and opportunities facing businesses in the industry? The key challenges facing businesses in the industry include staying up to date with the latest marketing trends, adapting to the changing consumer behavior, competing with its rival companies. The key opportunities for businesses in the industry include AI platform to reach more engaging audience, developing new and innovative marketing strategies, and targeting specific demographics. This is quite deep, right? To reach a more engaging audience, developing new and innovative marketing strategies, targeting specific demographics. Makes sense. What are the key trends impacting the industry and how are they expected to evolve in the future? The key trends impacting in the industry is the increasing use of AI to automate repetitive tasks. This trend is expected to continue in the future as the businesses look for ways to reduce cost and improve efficiency. Okay. Another key trends is the increasing use of marketing automation tools which allow businesses to reach a wider audience more efficiently. These tools are expected to become increasingly sophisticated in future, providing businesses with even more ways to target and engage their audience, right? What are the key players in the industry and what are their market positions and strategies? Key players in the industry include marketing technology providers such as Salesforce and Oracle, and social media platforms such as Facebook and LinkedIn. These companies are vying for a piece of market share for modern marketing using AI. Each company share each company has its own strategy for capturing in this market. For example, Salesforce is focusing on developing its own AI capabilities, while LinkedIn is partnering with AI providers to offer its customers access to these technologies. Very interesting, right? Now, let's do one experiment. See if I pose the same question to ChatGPT, what can happen with ChatGPT? Let's see, because we are in the same context, let's provide this question to ChatGPT. What are the key players in the industry and their marketing position? Now you can understand. I think it's going with different, right? So you can immediately see the difference here. It's providing us more about the interpretation of the question rather than the exact analysis or answer, right? It's providing us some suggestions. So look for market share, product, service offering. I haven't, like in this specific case, we are just asking the direct question. What are the key players in the industry and what are their marketing position and strategies? So you can clearly see that the chat GPT don't have that context about CrawlQ's position or sprinkler. The domain knowledge is inside Athena, right? Even if I put here what are the key players in the uh, I can edit this, right? What are the key players in the AI industry and what are their marketing position and strategies? Now even if you modify this question, even if I get a perfect answer from this context, you can't compare this with the output that we are getting from CrawlQ because contexts are completely different. Uh, Here in CrawlQ, we are deep diving to the specific use case of positioning CrawlQ against Sprinkler as a industry-wide platform. And here, if you ask the same question, even if you modify, it will not give you same consistent answer. And that's what I wanted to let you know. I mean, you can easily see here, Google, Microsoft, IBM. These are the key players in the industry. But here, if you see the answer that came from this template was very specific in the context of how we are researching our audience, customer persona, business strategy. And that is the power that I want to demonstrate to you, that if you use ChatGPT's intelligence to create different types of template, task template, um, business plan template, any kind of template that you can think in your business, just just create based on question answer, add there, and you can easily generate more deeper context, more deeper outcomes. Okay, so just spending 1 or 2 more minutes on this. What are the key customer segments in the industry? The key customer segments in the industry are evolving to become more niche. This is because customers are looking for more specific solutions to their problem, and businesses are responding by offering more specialized product and services. Make sense? What are the key technology and product trends in the industry? Key technology and product trends in the industry are AI, marketing automation, and chatbots. These technologies are impacting the business models and growth opportunities by making it easier for businesses to reach and engage customers. AI is making possible to personalize interactions with customers. Marketing automation is helping businesses to more efficiently target customers with relevant content, and chatbots are providing an easy way for customers to get information and support. Now, I don't want to spend like whole time, but to recap, my process is as simple as you can see. I'm going with a specific intention to ChatGPT saying create a LinkedIn post framework on key market trends, and based on this is going to provide me a certain set of questions. I'm going to input this question as a template inside CrawlQ, and once I generate the output will be very specific to what we want to achieve, right? So this is kind of a good marriage between the power of ChatGPT and power of Athena. Here I created another template, for example, business plan template, um, executive summary, market analysis, product or service offering, and it will just be a question there in the template. Describe your product or services in detail, including its key features, benefit, and target market. And CrawlQ will generate a very specific answer to this question in that template as an outcome. That's what you have seen here. And of course, you can build upon it further. So there are different, as you know, there are different tools already inside CrawlQ that will allow you to further deep dive. You can create outlines, you can say, ask me Athena, you can convert this sentence into a post, social post, right? You can create outline, keywords, states. All the power of Athena remains same. You can you can further optimize these results going into the standard editor view. Here you can use some other tools like story frameworks, elevator page, social media ad. You can create TLDR summary of this. You can create captivating captions. Again, use them in your copy. So you can see it's very powerful approach, right? Combining the strength of chat GPT to ask very intelligent questions that is difficult if you are just starting from scratch. You don't have many templates, or you want to create innovative new ideas or new marketing angles. Use chat GPT and then inject these templates inside CrawlQ, and you will see the benefit of doing these two together. TLDR of this article, the content marketing industry is growing rapidly due to the increasing use of artificial intelligence and marketing automation tools. The key drivers of growth are increasing demand for content and the increasing use of AI powered marketing platforms. Perfect sense. Yeah, it makes perfect sense. Um, of course, I don't need to repeat. You can again touch base with your market research. If there are some competitors or writing on this topic, you will also get them. Sometime, if I don't have any answer or specific queries based on this, it's hard to get these competitive information. So here we can see that there was not much information available in the outside domain, right, on this topic. But this topic itself is giving enough context to to Athena to create this kind of context or this kind of outcomes. So I hope you enjoyed this information, and if you have more questions or follow-up questions, feel free to ask in the comment of the post that I'm going to make as soon as I'm done with this recording. Again, enjoy Christmas, enjoy coming days, and make specific plans for 2023. Let me know if you have interesting use cases that you have tried and that works together well with CrawlQ, right? So then we can combine the strength instead of competing against those strengths, right? And I have very good idea of how to use and embed ChatGPT already, but this use case will help you already to understand how you can combine ChatGPT with CrawlQ. Thank you so much for watching this, and stay tuned with more such valuable tips and tricks. Bye bye.